Simple recipe for paneer fried. 200 g paneer cut into cubes. 2 tbsp corn flour. 2 tbsp all-purpose flour, maida. 1 tsp ginger garlic paste. 1 tsp red chili powder. 1 tsp garam masala, optional. 1/2 tsp turmeric powder. 1/2 teaspoon black pepper powder. Salt to taste. 2 tbsp yogurt, optional for extra flavor. 2 tbsp water for binding. Oil for frying. Fresh coriander leaves for garnishing. Lemon wedges, optional. In a bowl, mix corn flour, all-purpose flour, ginger garlic paste, chili powder, garam masala, turmeric powder, black pepper powder, and salt. Add yogurt and water to make a thick paste. Toss the paneer cubes into the marinade, ensuring they are evenly coated. Let it sit for 15-20 minutes. Heat oil in a frying pan over medium heat. Carefully place the marinated paneer cubes into the hot oil and fry them until golden and crispy. Flip gently to cook all sides evenly. Remove and place the fried paneer on a paper towel to absorb excess oil. Garnish with fresh coriander leaves and serve hot with a side of mint chutney, ketchup, or lemon wedges.